Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to Dipusar Gandhi YouTube channel. Today we discuss Indian GK. First question: who was the first president of India? Answer is A option Rajendra Prasad. Who was the father of nation? Answer B option Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer C option Jawaharlal Nehru. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Answer B option Rabindranath Tagore. What is the national sport of India? Answer B option hockey. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer B option Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question: which ocean lies to the south of India? Answer C option Indian Ocean. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer A option Udaipur. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer D option Indira Gandhi. Who discovered India by sea route from Europe? Answer B option Vasco da Gama. Where is the Sun Temple located? Answer D option Odisha. What is the national animal of India? What is the national animal of India? Answer B option tiger. What is the national bird of India? Answer A option peacock. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer D option Goa. Which is the largest state in India by area? Answer C option Rajasthan. Next question: which is the national fruit of India? Answer B option mango. Which festival is known as the Festival of Light? Which festival is known as the Festival of Light? Answer A option Diwali. Which is the largest river of India? Which is the largest river of India? Answer C option Ganga. Who is current president of India? Who is current president of India? Answer B option Draupadi Murmu. Next question: which is the highest civilian award in India? Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer D option Bharat Ratna. Next question: which festival of India is called the Festival of Color? Answer A option, Holi. Next question. In which year did India become a republic? In which year did India become a republic? Answer D option, 1950. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer C option, Bengaluru. Next question. Which is the national flower of India? Answer B option, lotus. What is the currency of India? What is the currency of India? Answer A option, rupee. When is the Independence Day celebrated in India? Independence Day celebrated in India. Answer option D, August 15. Next question. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Answer C option, Jaipur. What is the full form of ISRO? What is the full form of ISRO? Answer option D, Indian Space Research Organization. Which Indian state is known for tea production? Which Indian state is known for tea production? Answer B option, Assam. Who was known as the Missile Man of India? Missile Man of India. Answer C option, APJ Abdul Kalam. Next question. Where is the Gateway of India located? Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer A option, Mumbai. The Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is located in which Indian state? The Statue of Unity is located in which Indian state? Answer D option, Gujarat. Which is the southernmost point of India? Answer B option, Indira Point. When did the Constitution of India come into force? When did the Constitution of India come into force? Answer B option, 26 January 1950. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many states are there in India? How many states are there in India 2026? Answer B option, 28. Which is the largest union territory of India? Which is the largest union territory of India? Answer C option, Ladakh. What is the official language of India? What is the official language of India? Answer A, Hindi. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Which is the highest mountain peak of India? Answer B option, Kanchenjunga. Which river is known as the Soraf Vihar? Which river is known as the Soraf Vihar? Answer B option, Kasi. Which is the largest desert in India? Which is the largest desert in India? Answer B option, Thar. Who is first Home Minister of India? Who is first Home Minister of India? Answer B option, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Answer C option, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next question, which is the largest lake in India? Which is the largest lake in India? Answer B option, Chilika Lake. Which is the longest dam in India? Which is the longest dam in India? Answer C option, Hirakud Dam. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer Indira Gandhi. Which is the smallest union territory in India? Which is the smallest union territory of in India? Answer A option, Lakshadweep. What is the literacy rate of India? 75. C option, 75. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer B option, Gujarat. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Which is the highest waterfall in India? C option, No Kalikai Falls.